If there's one thing the off-road industry has more than enough of, in my opinion, it's tire patch, sealant, and repair kits. I've tested dozens of these types of products and have found that most are barely functional at best and only a handful work as promised. A few seasons ago I tested a newer product called GlueTread. At that time it was a patch kit designed specifically for the external repair of sidewall punctures. It consisted of a proprietary glue, a specially formulated rubber patch, and a glue curing agent. The purpose of the kit was to make repairing sidewall damage of any kind fast, easy, and reliable. The fact at the time it was the only kit of its kind meant I approached it with some level of skepticism. Sidewall damage was something no other product on the market could reliably fix. Could GlueTread be any different? It only took me about 5 minutes of hands-on time with GlueTread to realize it worked exactly as promised, and in truth, probably a little bit better than promised. I was able to repair a 3-inch slash in an ATV tire sidewall in minutes, and it is still holding air today. After that test, GlueTread became, and remains to this day, a mandatory item in my off-road emergency kit that I absolutely will not leave home without. It has been called into action numerous times and has saved the day in every one of them. This is a product I absolutely trust and will put my reputation on the line to recommend. Since that first test, GlueTread has evolved, not just in the contents of their all-in-one kit, but in the actual formulation of the glue and rubber patches themselves. GlueTread makes all-in-one kits for a wide variety of off-road riders and scenarios. From their sidewall seal mini kit to the full jam expedition kit, they have a pre-packaged all-in-one sidewall repair solution for everyone. But hang on a second, if you're looking at this ATV kit and wondering what all the extra stuff is, I'm really excited to tell you that now many GlueTread kits not only include the items needed to repair a sidewall, but also include everything you might need to repair tread punctures as well. They have now become a complete one-stop tire repair solution. Today I want to look at two of their largest and most complete repair kits. First is the Side-by-Side Tire Repair Kit Pro, and the second is the Expedition Kit. The Expedition Kit is GlueTread's most complete tire repair solution. It includes literally everything you might need to fix a flat on the trail. Obviously it includes GlueTread's sidewall repair patches, but it also includes a full pepperoni-style plug kit with machined aluminum T-handles, Colby valve stems, extra valve cores, and enough glue and sandpaper to repair numerous sidewall tears and tread area punctures. It's designed more for full-size applications like crawlers and Jeeps, but will definitely work for side-by-side and ATVs as well. All GlueTread kits include 100% made in America products, including these cool sewn Cordura bags. The kit I really want to focus on today though is the Side-by-Side Pro Kit designed specifically for side-by-side riders. It too comes in a cool Cordura bag to keep everything organized, and it also includes enough GlueTread sidewall repair components to repair multiple sidewall leaks. Again, like the Expedition Kit, it also includes a full pepperoni plug kit with machined aluminum T-handles and a Colby valve. But where the Expedition Kit requires a pump to fill the tires once they're repaired, the Side-by-Side Pro Kit includes 8 CO2 cartridges and a CO2 inflator. This means that you can not only repair your damaged tire, but you can also fill it once it's been repaired with just one small, easy to store kit. In the past, GlueTread kits came with glue and a glue curing accelerator. The accelerator helped speed up the time the glue took to seal the patch to the tire by a factor of about 10. The problem was, if the accelerator was stored in the same bag as the glue, even if the glue was unopened, it would prematurely harden. The newest generation GlueTread kits include a new formulation for both the glue and the rubber patches that no longer requires the accelerant. When combined, you can seal the rubber patch to the tire in just 6 minutes. To put these claims to the test, I decided to take a perfectly good tire off of one of our Maverick side-by-sides and not just puncture a hole in the sidewall, but actually drill a hole through the tire, one that would stay open when the drill bit was removed. This means you can't glue the sides of the hole together before applying the patch like you would with a sidewall tear. The question is, can GlueTread seal up an actual open hole in a tire? And if it can I then take it out and ride it without worrying about that patch failing? The first step in repairing this horrible problem that I have created is cutting a patch to fit. And the first step in that process is selecting which of the 3 sizes of provided patches is the best starting point. Now this one's obviously just a hair too small in my opinion, and obviously this one is really big. We would need to trim this one down, which is totally fine and something you probably will have to do at some point. But in our situation, this patch that comes just in this shape is actually perfect for this spot, so I don't need to trim it at all. But if you had an irregular shape or a larger area, you can trim this one down in size to fit perfectly. The next step is to clean the area of the tire that you're going to apply the patch and the patch itself. Next, we need to thoroughly sand the area around the puncture or the tear in your sidewall and the backside of the patch itself where it will apply to the tire. As per GlueTread's instructions, the third step is to apply the glue compound in tiny dots in a grid pattern all over the back of the patch. The size of the dots and how close they are together is very important here, so read those instructions carefully. Now that I've applied the patch properly and held it in place for 6 minutes while the glue cured, it's time to fill the tire up using the provided CO2 cartridges and the CO2 filler. We're going to find out if this patch, in fact, is fully sealed the way it's supposed to. Now, I'm not sure how many CO2 cartridges it takes to fill a tire this size, so I'm going to check the pressure after each one to see how far we got. It's got us about 2.5 psi. That's cold. Filling this 30 by 10 inch Maxxis Carnivore took 4 CO2 cartridges to bring it up to 7 psi, which is more than enough to get you home in a pinch. What I'm most pleased to see though is that the patch is actually holding air and there's no leakage, which means it was applied properly. And I gotta say, even though I've done this before, this has surprised me at how easy this was, how simple this process was, and even if you were doing it off of a workbench, on the vehicle, on the side of the trail, this would still be an easy process. Certainly no harder than any other patching system that's out there for a sidewall or any other process of trying to patch a sidewall leak. The only thing we got left to do now is to take this thing and get out on the trail and see if this patch is going to hold when we're holding that sucker wide open. Man, I can't believe that the GlueTread patch was able to seal up almost a 1/4 inch hole in the sidewall of this tire on a side-by-side this powerful, and that the seal has stayed completely sealed tight even after that kind of aggressive riding in that kind of rocky conditions. That's amazing. Does the GlueTread patch system work? Yeah, but I already knew that it did on a 3-inch slice in a sidewall. Knowing that it's capable of sealing up almost a dime-sized hole in a tire as well just proves how incredibly effective this system really is. Now, I didn't test the rest of the side-by-side Pro Kit, but the truth is I don't really need to. I already know that the pepperonis included will seal up a hole in the tread portion of the tire because I've done it literally hundreds of times. But here's the thing. Before, I had to carry both a GlueTread kit and a pepperoni plug kit. The combination of the two will get you out of nearly any tire damage scenario. GlueTread's all-in-one kits, with components 100% made in America, take the hassle out of putting together a full kit on your own. You simply pick the GlueTread kit that best suits your needs, and you head out on the trail. Now, all the different components that I've been carrying in my off-road emergency bag are now getting replaced by this all-in-one GlueTread side-by-side Pro Kit. I won't ever ride without it, and I don't think you should either.